Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the HVAC control on the Hummer H2, and the issue I have with mine is, let's go ahead, start the car first. When I come to control the temperature, as you can see, that's kind of finicky. I'm turning right and you see the temperature dropping. It's just random. It doesn't move according to the dial. So that happens mostly on the passenger side. On the driver's side, it's a little bit more consistent, but still a little bit jumpy. So we're going to try to fix that. And to take care of that issue, I have here with me some carburetor and air intake cleaner. There's some talk about WD-40 also working for the same purpose. We turn off the engine, the HVAC system, and then these buttons are supposed to pull, these knobs are supposed to pull right out. Let's see if we can do that. I'm not having any success. Let me put the camera down for a moment, see if I can pull harder. Alright, we're back in business. So all what I had to do was get a pair of pliers, and I was able to pull out the knobs. They're both identical, and you can see they are keyed, so just make sure you respect the keys when putting them back on. Let's turn on the system, see what's going on. Alright, I'll turn it off. Nope, I need that off. There. And then we take our cleaner, spray in there. Okay. There is a potentiometer in there, and over so many years it picks up a little bit of debris, dust, lint, and all what we're trying to do is to clean that up a little bit. Hope I'm not going too crazy with that. I see it leaking down on the OnStar system, but I don't use the OnStar anymore. It's not active on here. Okay, give it a few moments to dry up. Oops, it turned on. There, now it's working. Look at that. It's working now. There, perfect. Okay, I think that's all what we needed to do. Put that back on, and you can see now it works. Get this other one. And make sure it works. There. Not very perfect for the left, but the right one works perfectly. So just play with them a little bit, make sure everything is smooth. Maximum heat and maximum. Thanks for watching, guys, and that's how you fix the HVAC system on the Hummer H2.